in Orleanian culture, the Louisiana State Laureate, Sandra Marie Osby, she has a book called All Saints. And within this book, within the poems, comes out this concept of, it's a New Orleanian concept, it's called a prayer band. And a prayer band is a group of women who leave an organized institutional place of worship and decide to worship with each other. Sometimes they used to call that witches, right? Sometimes they still call it witches. This is a prayer band. Everything you ever paid for, you ever worked on, you ever received, everything you ever gave away, you ever held on to, you ever forgot about, every single thing is one of every single thing, and all things are gone. Everything I can think, to do, to say, I feel is buoyant. Everything is below water. Everything is eroding. Everything is hungry. There is nothing to eat. There is water everywhere, and there is nothing clean to drink. The children aren't talking. The nurses have stopped believing anyone is coming for us. The parish fire chief will never again tell anyone that help is coming. Now is the time of rags. Now is the indigo of loss. Now is the need for cavalry. New Orleans. I fell in love with your fine-ass poor boys. Sweating, frying, catfish, blackened life, thick women, glossy, seasoning, bourbon, Indians, beads, grit, history of races and losers who still won. New Orleans, I dreamt of living lush within your shuttered eyes, a closet of yellow dresses, a breeze on my neck, writing poems for do-right men, and the daughter of refugees. I have known of displacement, and the tides pulling everything that could not be carried within. And some of that too. A Jamaican man sings, those who can afford to run will run. What about those who can't? They will have to stay. End of the month, tropical depression turned storm. Someone whose beloved has drowned knows what water can do, what water will do to once animated things. A New Orleans man pleads, we have to steal from each other to eat. Another, gun in hand, says we will protect what is ours, what belongs to us. I have known of fleeing, desperate, with children on hips, in arms, on backs, of house keys strung on necks, of water-wade shoes, disintegrated official papers, leases, certificates, births, deaths, taxes. I have known of highways which lead nowhere, of aches in teeth, in heads, in hands tied. I have known of women raped by strangers, by neighbors,